if y is equal to x plus root over 1 plus x square whole power n, then we need to find 1 plus x square of d square y by dx square plus x times of dy by dx. So first we find dy by dx, differentiate with respect to x, n times of x plus root over 1 plus x square whole to the power of n minus 1 into again differentiating x plus root over 1 plus x square. So we'll get 1 plus differentiating root over 1 plus x square will be 1 by 2 root of 1 plus x square into differentiation of 1 plus x square, that comes 2x. So which is equal to n times of x plus root over 1 plus x square whole to the power of n divided by x plus root over 1 plus x square into, so here 2 and 2 get cancelled, and if I take LCM here, root over 1 plus x square plus x divided by root over 1 plus x square. So here we can cancel x plus root over 1 plus x square and x plus root over 1 plus x square. So which is equal to n times of x plus root over 1 plus x square whole power n is equal to y. So we can write this as ny divided by root over 1 plus x square. So we got dy by dx is equal to n times dy by dx is equal to ny upon root over 1 plus x square. And now again differentiating with respect to x, so we'll get d square y by dx square is equal to root over 1 plus x square whole square, that comes 1 plus x square, and now 1 plus x square root over 1 plus x square into dy by dx of ny, n is a constant, so n into dy by dx minus ny into differentiation of root over 1 plus x square is 1 by 2 root of 1 plus x square into 2x. So here 2 get cancelled, so we can write d square y by dx square is equal to n root over x square into dy by dx minus nxy upon root over 1 plus x square divided by 1 plus x square. Doing cross multiplication, 1 plus x square into d square y by dx square is equal to n times of root over x square 1 plus x square dy by dx minus nxy divided by root over 1 plus x square. So now we need to calculate 1 plus x square of d square by dx square plus x times of dy by dx. So dy by dx is ny upon root over 1 plus x square. So x times of dy by dx is equal to x times of dy by dx is equal to n. So nxy upon root over 1 plus x square. And now we need to add them. So adding these two equations, say this is 1 and 2, so we'll get x dy by dx plus 1 plus x square of d square y by dx square is equal to n root of 1 plus x square into dy by dx, and here minus nxy upon root plus nxy upon root will get cancelled, so you will be getting this. And again we can write what is dy by dx. Dy by dx is nothing but ny by root over plus x square, so I can write here n root of 1 plus x square into ny upon root over 1 plus x square. So we can cancel this both, and this is n square y. So we can go with an option n square y is first option. This is the right answer.